Coming up next on Trojan News, GES celebrates homecoming,
and Greenville Elementary kicks off its new Positive Behavior and Goal Setting program.
These stories and more coming up next on Trojan News.
And now, from Studio 100 at Greenville High School, this is Trojan News.
Hello, and welcome to Trojan News for Friday, October 11th. I'm Titus.
And I'm Jacob.
Last week was an exciting one at GHS as the high school celebrated homecoming, and the highlight of the week included a parade that marched down Main Street and 2nd Avenue before turning on a donation road and ending at the football field. Bella Gailey was crowned homecoming queen on Thursday evening and carried the game ball on Friday before handing it over to the football team captains on Friday night. The Trojans defeated Lakeview Friday night. We'll have much more on homecoming week in a future episode of Trojan News.
Greenville Elementary students recently gathered for a Mindful Monday Assembly, a new initiative promoting positive behavior and goal setting. Joined by high school students, the event encourages students to stay positive and work towards their goals. Bree Hallbaugh has more.
Inspiring the next generation, high school students are becoming role models for elementary school kids, showing them that no dream is too big. On September 27th, some of our high school student athletes took a trip down to the elementary school to shed some school spirit to the younger students of the Greenville district. For some, it was a glimpse into their past, and for the younger ones, it was a glimpse into their future. The high school students handed out prizes for the GES students earning Trojan tickets. They showed the GES students how to portray the Trojan traits, and they were shown a glimpse into the future of being a student athlete.
When I was little, I would always look up to my brother, so it's good to be that for like the little kids.
These elementary students aren't just watching, they're dreaming. And with their high school role models leading the way, those dreams are becoming goals. The GHS students helped show that you're not going to win every game you play, but you will have fun while doing it. You will go through challenges throughout your life, but whatever happens, you will get through it.
Today's assembly was all about our Mindful Monday of the month of September, and that was what's important now. And we thought that it'd be great to bring over all the Greenville High School fall athletes and show them, like, when you focus on what's important now, all the great things that can happen, because sometimes it's hard for them being that little, there goes my little ones, to see the future. So once they see you up there and how amazing you guys all were, it's good for them.
By sharing their experiences and achievements, these high schoolers are proving that success starts with hard work, dedication, and a belief that anything is possible.
Juniors and seniors, if you are interested in attending Manufacturing Day at Trivia Manufacturing in Youngstown, Ohio on Tuesday, October 22nd, please see Mr. Wig for more information and to pick up the permission form.
Next week, seniors will participate in the annual PA Business Week. This event gives students an opportunity to build collaborative skills as they work as a team to develop, market, and sell a product in a competitive atmosphere. The week-long event will conclude on Friday with presentations at a trade show that is open to the public.
This week, Trojan Treat is doing more than just satisfying cravings. It's making a difference for those devastated by the recent hurricane. All the money earned from the sales will be donated to help the residents of Western North Carolina. So when you grab a snack, you're not only treating yourself, but also supporting relief efforts for communities in need.
Our school already offers a wide range of sports. There's always room for something new. We asked GHS what sport they would like to see added to the athletic offerings at our school.
You know, I think that the sport that I would have to add would be probably boys lacrosse. I feel like lacrosse is becoming a very growing in popularity sport across the nation. There's a number of colleges, especially in this area, are looking to start up boys lacrosse programs, so it would also be scholarship opportunities for a lot of our students.
All right, the sport I would pick is hockey because, like, ice skating rings in the winter, I don't know, that's all I got.
If I had to bring a sport to Greenville that's not here, I'd do hockey because it's a physical sport and it's in the winter, and I would get out of wrestling.
Add a sport, I'd add water polo because water polo is just the best sport of all time. And, you know, it should be everywhere in my opinion.
Men's volleyball, soccer wear Speedo.
The football team's winning streak continues, and the volleyball team faces a tough matchup against Sharon.
Miles Lyons is standing by in the Sports Center with all the details. Miles?
The Greenville Trojans extended their winning streak to 6 games with a commanding 36-0 shutout over the Lakeview Sailors on Friday night at Snyder Stone Stadium. Marking a memorable homecoming victory, Greenville's defense shined, especially in the second quarter when Lakeview threatened to score. Safety Nick Schooldridge made back-to-back goals line stops, turning the ball over on downs and preserving the shutout. Schooldridge was also a standout on offense, completing 5 of 7 for 101 yards and 2 touchdowns, while rushing for 125 yards on 10 carries. One of Soldiers' most impressive plays came on a 4th down corner fade pass to sophomore receiver Cale Thurber, who made a leaping catch, tapping his foot in bounds for a touchdown. Rudy Gentili added 2 touchdowns on 75 rushing yards, while kicker Tristan Saylor continued his perfect streak, hitting 4 for 4 on extra points. The Trojans' defense added 3 interceptions to their already strong season, with Justin Shell grabbing 2, bringing his team high total to 6. On offense, Shell caught 2 passes for 53 yards, including a 19-yard touchdown to open the second quarter. Greenville's defense limited Lakeview's passing game, holding quarterback Leighton Zakurl to just 53 yards with the win. Greenville improves to 6-1 and will travel to face Sagertown next week. The Greenville Trojans defeated the Hickory Hornets in straight sets on Wednesday, 3-0. At Greenville High School on Pink Out in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Greenville trailed the entire first set and came back to win 25-23. The Trojans won the second set 25-20 and followed with a decisive 24-14 win in the final set. Jalen Lewis led the team with 12 kills as Bella Gailey recorded 18 assists. Gailey also had 3 aces. Presley Carrella scooped up 24 digs and Lewis had 23. Congratulations to Lily Butcher for finishing 5th in the district and 2nd in the region at the girls tennis singles tournament. And congratulations to Hannah McKinney for finishing 9th in the district and 4th in the region. That's the latest from the Sports Center. Let's send it back to the studio.
Thanks, Miles. That's all for this week's episode of Trojan News.
Be sure to follow our YouTube channel for the latest in-school news.
For Trojan News, I'm Titus.
And I'm Jacob.
Have a great day.